Advantages of decision trees. Decision trees are widely used in machine learning for their numerous benefits, which make them suitable for a variety of tasks. Simplicity and intuitiveness. Decision trees mimic human decision making more closely than other algorithms, making them easy to understand and interpret. The decisions are made through a sequence of simple rules, which are based on the features of the data. No need for data preprocessing. Unlike many other algorithms, decision trees do not require normalization or scaling of data. They can handle both numerical and categorical data, which simplifies the preprocessing stage. Handling nonlinear relationships. Decision trees can model nonlinear relationships effectively, which makes them versatile for various datasets and scenarios. Feature importance. Decision trees provide a clear indication of which features are most important in predicting the target variable. This is useful for feature selection and understanding the factors that influence the outcome. Cost-effective. Trees can be built relatively quickly and with less computational resources compared to some other algorithms, such as neural networks. Versatility. They can be used for both classification and regression tasks, making them a flexible tool in the toolkit of machine learning practitioners. Easy validation. Decision tree models are easy to validate empirically, and adjustments, like pruning, can be made to avoid overfitting. Robust to outliers. Decision trees are fairly robust to outliers. Since they segment data into subsets based on certain conditions, outliers have less influence on the overall splits.